Oh yeah, Chief. I love my black. I love my black. Guess who black? Guess who black? Black. Guess who black? Guess who black?
What's going on? Welcome to another episode of HerbzAutoCare. In this one, I'm heading from Dallas to Long Beach to work on a car.
Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Flight circles will be passing throughout the aisles to collect any remaining cabin service items and to complete your final cabin safety checks, and then they'll be seated for the remainder of the flight. Thank you, and we'll be landing shortly.
Just landed in Long Beach. About to get my tools and start the first repair. Show you right. Stopping to grab a jack, and then we get to work. If it works, it works. Got my last item. Now we head into the car repair. What's good, my boy? Everything I need to repair a car is in here. Changing out the shocks, the rotors, the brakes, stabilizer link bars, spark plugs, rear shocks, tie rod ends. Got that oil draining. Almost finished. Plugs and new coils. Rotors, 17 millimeters on the rear. Replacing these shocks also is just two 17 millimeters on the rear. And we'll have room to get this bolt out right here. When you're replacing these rear shocks, you're gonna have to drop this coil right here. It's best to just have a jack stand right there to hold the car up, and then kind of use that to just compress it back up. New rotor. New shock. Beating the sunset. Just like that, we finished.
It's got a little kick to it, but it's not as like, if you want the kick, the hot sauce like that. But like,
after a long day of repairs, until tomorrow.